Hey design lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel at RK Graphics. Today we are going to create a restaurant flyer design in Adobe Illustrator. So let's go. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document by going to File, New. Set the dimensions to A5 or A6 depending on your desired flyer size. Choose a resolution and color mode CMYK. Let's designing the background. Use the rectangle tool to create a background layer. Fill the rectangle with a warm color that matches your restaurant's theme. Also, you can add a subtle gradient or texture to give it a more appealing look. Add images and graphics. Use high quality images of your dishes or restaurant and chef. Place images by dragging and dropping them into the document. Add text and typography. Choose a font that reflects your restaurant's brand and style. Use the type tool to add headings, descriptions, and contact information. Experiment with different font sizes, colors, and styles to create visual content. Use the pen tool or shape tools to create custom graphics such as icons or borders. Place and align them well according to your document. Repeating again, use high quality images of your dishes or restaurant. Use type tool again and add some details. Use rectangle tool here. Make a copy of it and place it opposite. And that's a wrap. You have successfully designed a stunning restaurant flyer in Adobe Illustrator. I am thrilled to see your creativity shine through. Thanks for watching and learning with me. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more design tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.